my little explorers. It's Lucy here. Today, we're going on a wonderful adventure to explore 3 amazing worlds. First, we'll visit the snowy Arctic, where chilly winds blow and brave animals live on sparkling ice. Next, we'll walk into the warm, golden savanna with tall grass, bright sunshine, and strong animals roaming freely across the land. And finally, we'll dive into the deep blue ocean, home to playful dolphins, colorful fish, and many mysterious sea creatures waiting for us. Are you ready to explore with Teacher Looksy? Then let's begin our adventure together. Now, let's start building our magical diorama. First, I'm placing a big block of ice right in the center to make the very first snowy layer for the Arctic. Then, I'm adding smaller blue ice pieces all around it to make the frozen world more lively and real. The ground is covered with soft, sparkling snow too. Over on the savanna side, I'm putting a tall brown rocky cliff in place. Then I gently spread orange sand across the ground. This will be our warm and sunny savanna soil. Next, I sprinkle colorful little pebbles to create a natural border between the lands. These tiny stones make our model look so real and fun. And now, the most exciting part. Let's make the ocean. I'm spreading shiny blue slime to create the water. Look how it wiggles and shimmers just like real ocean waves. In the Arctic area, I'm adding a snowy pine tree right beside the big ice rock. The frosty snow on the tree makes the scene look perfectly cold. In the middle of our model, I'm placing tall palm trees to bring the savanna to life. Around them, I add little bushes, great hiding spots for zebras, antelopes, and other wild animals. At the ocean, I'm putting colorful coral pieces near the water's edge. They make the beach bright and cheerful. Underneath, little sea plants become cozy homes for tiny fish and sea turtles. And ta-da! Aha! Our 3-world diorama is complete. Come on, little explorers. Let's meet all the adorable animals together. Seagull. Seagulls are birds that live near the ocean. They glide over the water with their long, graceful wings. Seagulls love eating small fish, crabs, and things floating on the waves. Their loud calls echo across the beach. They build nests high on cliffs or along the shoreline. Seagulls are very smart and can always find their way home. Penguin. Penguins live in very cold places like Antarctica. They can't fly, but they are amazing swimmers. Their wings act like flippers to help them zoom through icy water. Penguins eat fish, squid, and tiny sea creatures. They stay in big groups to keep warm. Their cute waddle is their special way of walking. Rabbits have long, soft ears and a tiny, twitchy nose. They hop quickly to stay safe from predators. Rabbits eat grass, vegetables, and roots. Their fluffy fur keeps them warm inside their burrows. Rabbits love living in groups underground. They are gentle animals and get scared easily. Bears are big, strong animals. They live in forests, mountains, or cold places depending on their species. Bears eat many things: fish, berries, honey, and sometimes other animals. Their noses are very sensitive and can smell food far away. Many bears sleep through winter in cozy caves. Even though they look slow, bears can run really fast. Yaks live in high, snowy mountains like the Himalayas. They have long, thick fur to stay warm in the cold. Yaks are incredibly strong and can carry heavy loads. They eat grass, moss, and tiny mountain plants. Yaks stay in herds to protect each other. People often raise yaks to help with carrying goods. Reindeer live in the Arctic and can walk long distances on snow. Both males and females grow antlers. They use their antlers to dig for food under the snow. Their wide hooves help them walk on ice. Reindeer travel in big herds that move often. Their fur changes color with the seasons to blend in. Arctic foxes have fluffy white fur that hides them perfectly in snow. In summer, their fur turns brown or gray to match rocks and land. They eat mice, eggs, berries, and leftovers from polar bears. Arctic foxes are quick and clever. They live in cold tundra where strong winds blow. Their bushy tail keeps them warm when they sleep. Macaroni penguins have funny yellow feathers on their heads. They live on cold southern islands. They love hopping off rocks into the water to catch fish. These penguins are great divers and fast swimmers. They stay in big, noisy groups. Their bright feathers make them easy to spot. Red-throated loons have a bright red patch on their necks in spring. They live near cold lakes and northern coasts. They dive deep underwater to catch small fish. Their calls sound beautiful and echo at night. They build nests close to the water. When they fly, they hold their necks straight and look very elegant. Wolves live in packs and work together like a family. They talk to each other with long, echoing howls. Wolves are meat eaters and hunt in groups. They are fast and strong with amazing stamina. Their noses can smell things from very far away. Wolves are symbols of loyalty and teamwork. Vulture. Vultures have huge wings and soar high in the sky. They clean the environment by eating dead animals. Their eyesight is incredibly sharp. They live in savannas, deserts, or mountains. Vultures stay together in large groups. They play an important role in nature even if they look scary. Lion. Lions are powerful big cats that live in the savannah. Male lions have big, fluffy manes. They live in groups called prides. Lionesses are the main hunters. They hunt animals like antelopes and buffalo. A lion's roar can be heard miles away. Texas Longhorn. Texas Longhorns are famous for their long, curved horns. They live in wide grasslands. They are strong and survive tough weather. Longhorns eat grass and shrubs. They are gentle and stay in herds. Their long horns help protect them and cool their bodies. Giraffe. Giraffes are the tallest animals in the world. Their long necks help them eat leaves from tall trees. Their long legs help them run fast from danger. Giraffes live in small groups. They drink water by spreading their legs wide. Their eyes and ears are always watching for predators. Camel. Camels live in hot, dry deserts. Their humps store fat for energy. They can go days without water. Long eyelashes protect them from blowing sand. Camels eat dry grass and thorny plants. They are gentle and help people carry heavy loads. Wildebeest. Wildebeests live in huge herds on the savannah. They travel thousands of miles each year to find fresh grass. They run fast and have great stamina. Wildebeests eat soft grasses and small plants. Their curved horns help defend them. Their gnu-gnu sound is very famous. Lynx. Lynxes are wildcats with cute black ear tufts. They live in cold forests and mountains. Lynxes hunt rabbits, birds, and small animals. They walk quietly and move like shadows. Their eyes shine brightly in the dark. Lynxes prefer living alone and hiding in nature. Turtle. Turtles have strong shells to protect their bodies. Some live on land, others in rivers, and some in the ocean. They move slowly but are very steady. Turtles eat plants, fruit, fish, or algae. Sea turtles can swim long distances. Some turtles live for over 100 years. Seahorse. Seahorses look like tiny horses under the sea. They swim upright, which is very special. They eat tiny creatures floating in the water. Male seahorses carry the eggs and give birth. Amazing! They wrap their tails around coral to stay safe. They hide by changing color to blend in. Octopus. Octopuses have 8 arms with tiny suction cups. They are super smart and great escape artists. They can change color to hide from danger. When scared, they squirt ink and swim away. They eat crabs, shrimp, and little fish. Their soft bodies squeeze into tiny spaces. Lobster. Lobsters live on the ocean floor. They hide in rocky cracks and caves. Their big claws help them catch food. They eat fish, snails, and small sea animals. Lobsters shed their shells as they grow. They come out mostly at night. Jellyfish. Jellyfish are soft and see-through like jiggly jelly. They float by gently pulsing their bodies. They eat tiny animals that drift near them. Some jellyfish have stinging tentacles. They drift with ocean currents. You can find them in both deep water and shallow shores. Starfish. Starfish usually have 5 arms. They live on the seafloor or near coral reefs. Starfish eat clams and small sea creatures. They can grow back arms that fall off. Wow! Their mouths are underneath their bodies. Starfish move slowly and quietly across the rocks. Wow, we explored so many amazing things today. From the snowy Arctic, to the sunny Savannah, to the deep blue ocean, every animal has its own beauty and special way of living. And together, they make our world so wonderful. I'm so proud of you, little explorers. Keep being curious, keep looking closely, and never stop discovering new things. See you in our next adventure.